Hi, I'm Edwin.
Return to Mockingbird Creek.
Oh, nothing is more joyous than smelling the flowers in the morning. Oh.
Fresh pansies.
Hey, Pa. What do you want?
Well, I was thinking, you know, it's been a while since I last seen Fickle Dickie, and I miss him a lot. He was my only brother.
Who the fuck is Fickle Dickie?
They got killed by Ruthless Toothless. Don't you remember?
Come smell these roses with me.
You know, this is great and all, but maybe we should return to Mockingbird Creek. Oh, wait.
Return to Mockingbird Creek!
Yes, Paul. It's time we found Fickle Dickie.
It's time to go.
Which car are we taking?
If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the Ritz. Different types who wear a day coat, pants with stripes and cutaway coat, perfect fits. Putting on the Ritz. Dressed up like $1 million trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Come, let's mix where Rockefellers walk with sticks or umbrellas.
Pa, why are we out here in the rain?
Purple rain.
What are you talking about, Dad?
I'm singing in the rain.
I don't know what you're talking about. Stop scaring me.
The Rain Man.
Where's Fickle? Where's Fickle Dickie?
Dust particles shining in the window.
Where is he?
Rainy.
I'm scared.
Rain.
Whoa, Pa. That's a boat.
In the rain.
Hey, motherfucker! Get out of this creek or I'll fuck you up! Motherfucker!
Pa, I'm scared of that man.
And we'll slow him down.
Motherfucker! Motherfucking shit! Come on, motherfucker! Don't look at it now!
Wait.
Oh shit! There's puddles in the way! Now, this tsunami's in the way. But you better hope I don't catch you again around these parts, motherfucker, or I'll skin you alive. shit.
Yo, let's get the fuck out of here. In the rain.
As soon as this puddle clears up, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Stay on this side. You can't touch us. Stay on this side. You can't touch us.
Hey man, fuck you. You can't even cross this shit if you tried, man. Man, fuck you. Come on, come at me. Come at me right now, motherfucker.
There's a fork in the road! 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 You better hope I don't find you again. When you do, you're gonna die. Fuck you! Motherfucker! This is bigger than a damn missile shit!
Yeah, man, I'm glad we lost that motherfucker.
The guy was a fucking pussy. I mean, come on. It comes at you with the fucking swinging around and shit. Like, come on. I would fucking beat his ass in 3 seconds. But you know what? The river was in the way.
Look, another boat.
Holy shit.
That's just like the one we used to go on, Pa.
That shit is what we call the bomb.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's going on? We found each other again. Come back over here. I'll show you the way out.
You'll show us the way out of Mockingbird Creek? No one's ever gotten out of Mockingbird Creek.
Yeah. Come here.
Yo, fuck all that shit, Holmes. My Uncle Charlie went down to fucking Chili's the other day for some barbecue ribs. Motherfucker walked over and the waiter was like, yo, drink me off under the table and I'll give you a discount on your biscuits. So he's like, alright. Motherfucker jerked off on his biscuits and he fucking ate them, and then the next day he died from gonorrhea after his fucking asshole exploded.
Yo, Pa, you ain't never told me about that before. Why you never tell me that before, man? Just till now, man.
It's cause you a fucking retard.
And man, I always thought I might have been a retard, but no one ever told me or something, you know? But man, so, then what was Fickle Dick?
Dust particles shining in the window.
Who the fuck is Fickle Dicky?
Come up here.
Nobody calls me a faggot and gets away with it.
I don't want to go.
Come on, you ass fuck. Come on, you goddamn retard. We're going up. He's just gonna give us directions and I'm gonna slap his mom in the tape.
Motherfucker! Fuck!
Run for it!
Cornbread red, all that cornbread going to hell. If there's one thing I want you to do, one thing I ask of you, take tomorrow and start anew. You can't thank me.
No, I can't.